up, everybody? It's April Justine here, and I am coming at you from my kitchen with my cats playing with the curtain, which you will see. And today I'm going to make some fat bombs. They're my favorite fat bombs. It is so super easy. They're like cookie dough fat bombs. I don't know, but all it is cream cheese, butter. This is so soft right now. Kerrigold butter, erythritol. That is my favorite sweetener of choice. And then some vanilla powder. I got this Sprouts, I think, or Whole Foods. You can get it, what's it called? In bulk. There you go. And then Lily's chocolate chips, which I forgot to pull out. So you don't see them yet. But these are some of my favorite fat bombs. I just got off of Shark Week. Wow. So I wanted something sweet, and I've been craving something sweet, so I decided to go ahead and make these, and then I just store them in my freezer. I know like a couple videos ago I said I wasn't gonna do like the fat bomb type stuff. Well, I guess I lied. Or adjusted, we'll say that. Alright, but this is how I make it. It's super easy. I don't know where I got the recipe from. It's just it's an easy recipe. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is super easy. First, you're going to take cream cheese that you let come to room temperature. Sorry everything's so shiny. It is really bad lighting in my kitchen, plus it is nighttime. So there's that. This is so soft, I do not know how I'm going to do this. But then you do a half a cup of butter. Oh my gosh. So the air conditioning in my house doesn't hit my kitchen. This is really bright and you can't really see it. Let me see if I do that. Oh, there you go. Alright, so that's about a half a cup is about half. Oh my word, okay. Let's just sludge this off. This is gonna be so gross on this foil when it like rehardens. Oh my god. Okay. So there's that. Put that out of the way. I got the erythritol from Amazon. This is the one that I like. And you will be doing a third cup of erythritol, which is kind of a lot, but it's okay. Who doesn't like sweet stuff? Alright, then you're going to do 1 teaspoon of the vanilla powder. I'm sure you can substitute that with the vanilla flavoring, the liquid one. But I really, really like how the vanilla powder, it gives it like, I don't know, like extra depth, I guess. There's that. And then 4 ounces of Lily's chocolate chips. And I don't know how much that is, so I'm just going to do that much. Alright, then you just mix it all in. You can use whatever mixing device you would like. Alright, so now we are all mixed, and I only used, I think, 6 ounces of cream cheese, and so this is a super, super buttery, and that's okay. Not the best, but it's okay. And then all I'm going to do is scoop this in balls on either parchment paper or silicone. I have silicone here. I have a small mat for my old toaster oven. If you guys remember, I didn't have a kitchen before. Now I do. And I'm just gonna make little balls. And then you will put these balls in the freezer till they harden and then enjoy. Oh, you know what? I forgot I had this thing. Let's see how it works. It probably works better. Oh, it works great. Holy crap, why was I making this so hard on myself? There you have it.